I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your transaction history on Current, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Current app. Launch the Current app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction details. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home screen. Look for the Transactions tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Access transaction history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Filter transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can filter by date, amount, or transaction type to find specific entries. Step 5. Review details. Tap on any transaction to see more details such as the merchant name, transaction ID, and date. This can help you track your spending more effectively. Remember, if you don't see a transaction you expect, double-check the date range you selected in the filter options. Happy tracking!